Hello, and welcome to North Korea. Please do enjoy your visit, and remember to see the grand opening of the Kim Jong-il church in his famous gravesite, where he punished his wife for cheating on him, except for Kim Jong-un's secret stash of porn in the abandoned candy store.
Oh boy, it must have been a big wait for me, and I'm finally here in North Korea. I can't wait to teach the Korean kids the American ABCs. Isn't that right, Radar? Radar? Where are you? Radar? Oh, now I remember. I was sleep eating again during the plane flight. Isn't that right, Radar?
Oh my Buddha! Just what in Buddha's name did that yellow freak bird just shit out? You know what? I already seen enough crazy American birds pooping out stuffed teddy bears for one day. So screw my work day. I'm going home.
Don't worry, Mr. Janitor. I'll clean it up. Okay, so in this map, I'm not seeing a school nearby in the map. Just some roads, trees, and mountains. Oh, I know. That guy over there in the yellow bike can help me where to get to the Korean school. Hey, mister, can you kindly tell me where to go to get to this Korean school? You see, I will be teaching some American alphabet to the...
Holy shit! That giant-ass yellowbird can talk!
Hey, Buster, that was not nice on what you just did. Blowing cigarette smoke in my face and the fact that smoking causes lung cancer. Because that's what my mom said to me.
Wait a minute, aren't you like an adult bird who lives with his mom? At like what age, perhaps 35 years old?
What? That's because I'm big. Doesn't mean you don't have to judge others for being older and big, even though I'm 4 weeks old.
But you're f***ing huge for Buddha's sakes!
Look, either you will help me or I will go find someone else to help me.
Okay, fine, hop on then.
Yippee!
Oh, damn! He weighs a f***ing ton! Oh, why couldn't I just become a fisherman like my dad told me?
Oh boy, Radar, I can't wait to teach the Korean kids some American alphabet. I just hope there's no Mexicans there, right, buddy old bear?
Hey, excuse me, Big Bird, listen. Can I rest for 10 minutes? There's only a mile to go before we reach to the North Korean school.
Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Big Bird!
You said something, mister?
Look, Big Bird, just go walk around a bit. Have some fresh air and relax a bit until we're ready to go. Okay?
Well, okay then. I'll see you later then, alligator.
Oh, Buddha, forgive me for what I'm about to do, even though I have gone through hell with that spawn of the devil bird, singing his god-awful nursery rhymes!
Oh, Radar, it's such a nice walk out by the countryside. Just look what's to offer from Mother Nature. The bees are pollinating the flowers. And the animals are playing with the trees.
Oh, hell no, you didn't just urinate on my body, bitch. A wise guy, hey? Well, get the fuck over here, you freaking pissant!
please? I'll teach you not to piss on me, you furry asshole! Oh, Radar, life is sure full of mysteries, isn't that right? Huh? What's that, Radar? You see a couple of people driving down the road, and we should wave at them? Well, okay, Radar. Hey, Korean Army guys, what's up?
Look over there, Jin Young. There's an American spy disguised as a big yellow bird. Really? I thought that was just an ordinary big yellow bird with no man inside of it. No, my friend, that's definitely a spy from the USA. I mean, just look at his sunglasses. Those are actually night vision goggles. And his teddy bear, it's actually a walkie-talkie in disguise, and he seems to be talking to it right now.
Here you go, Radar. You thirsty there, buddy?
Okay, you're right. Let's go get him. Okay, you American spy, you're coming with us, you terrorist.
Whoa! Now what did I do wrong, sir?
Don't fuck with me, you yellow feathered piece of shit. You know you work for the US government. Terrorists.
Now that wasn't very... Where am I? Am I already at the Korean school already? Huh? What?
No, you're living your worst fear ever. Unless you can tell us your American domination plans right now, we'll set you free, big bird.
But I told you already, I'm just an alphabet teacher.
Okay, flip the switch, Jung Young. So now that you stop playing stupid with us, tell us where the American domination plants are, you American pig!
You guys are f***ing crazy for frying my feathers like... Oh no, I just said a potty mouth word, didn't I? Give me a bar of soap and wash my mouth for God's sakes! Ah! I'm sorry, Mom, really I am. It won't happen again, I swear, please, someone!
Hey, Jung Young, this guy, still lives with his mom. I mean, he's older enough to leave his nest, don't you agree? I agree, Jung Young. He's nothing but a giant mama's boy.
Hey guys, you're not going to wait for me to laugh along without me? So, who is this giant bird we have strapped to this chair,
Well, sir, we caught Yellow Prick wandering around the military entrance, assuming that he's an American spy from...
Shut up! I know I wasn't sleeping. I was just paying attention. Yeah, I'm just f***ing with you, fool.
You almost got me there for a sec, your royalness.
Alright, you yellow feather bastard. Let's cut to you giving me your answer since you already know me. Kim Jong-il? No, you moron. That's my father. I am his son, Kim Jong-un. Get that in your thick yellow head. Hey, if you got nothing else to say something nice, don't say it all. Okay, fine. If you won't tell me, then I have many ways of making you answer to me. Wow, what do you think you're doing to Radar? Hey, did you hear me? Give Radar back to me, please. I'm not going to ask you twice. What are you cutting a hole in his butt? With a Swiss... Holy smokes, Kim! Don't stick it up there! I beg of you, for Christ's sakes! Okay, big bastard, what's it gonna be? Are you gonna keep rejecting me? Or do I have to keep pounding your teddy bear? Okay. I'll tell it's at the secret underground meeting room at Sesame Street. But for God's sakes, just leave me and Radar alone.
Oh man, you weren't shitting about him being a mama's boy. Okay, you're free to go.
Well, thank goodness. Now I can get going to what I was about to do.
But before you go, I want you to join me for dinner and of course some spa time.
So, what's gonna be for dinner, Kim?
Oh, it's a surprise. Jin and Jinsoon, show our guest to the kitchen and get him stuff.
What?
Nothing. Nothing at all, my feathered friend. Oh man, this yellow feathered bastard carries a lot of fat in his body, doesn't he?